Hi everyone, today I brought to you this professional hair dryer. It has like 3 minutes quick dry for the hair. It also has like special ions to smooth out the hair and protect it from damaging. Also has 9 drying modes and intelligent temperature technology. It's really nice and it's very high quality. So if you're looking for something that will make your hair look healthy and be healthy for a long period of time, this one is what you need. I'm going to show you what it comes in this box. It's super elegant. It also works as a gift. This one is like to air dry the hair, like random drying. And this is the small hair if you want to style it. This is the manual. Look at this design. It's super elegant and nice and has these buttons here. It has this golden lining, and this is a magnetic. Look at that. It's magnetic. And I'm going to show you, this is magnetic as well. Okay, let's connect it. It has added security to it. This red, if you press on the red, it's working. If you disconnect it using the yellow, so this adds security. And it has like technology for the sound, so it doesn't bother people if they're sleeping or resting. This is for cold. This is for strength. This will change the temperature. Okay. Let's try to see. This is the cold settings. It's really nice. And we can use this little head to use the brush to style the hair. Also this big one, like if you want like beach wavy style, you grab your hair like this and you just dry it. It's awesome. It's so elegant. I love it. I hope you like it and thank you for watching.